Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I do want to apologize real quick before we get into the video about my lighting. It is super dark outside. I have my lights set up, but it's still a little dark in here, so I do apologize. But today I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about some food. And I am doing this video again in partnership with Home Chef. I was so excited when they reached out to me and asked me if I'd like to work with them again. I've worked with them in the past, and I thought this would be a great opportunity to merge the subjects, talking about a service that I love and use, which is Home Chef. They are a meal service. They actually send you the food so you don't have to meal plan, you don't have to go grocery shopping. It's an excellent service. I'm gonna get into that a little bit, but I also really wanted to just share my journey as far as the weight loss and the health benefits that I've had since I've made some of these changes to my diet. So that's what we're talking about today. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, let's jump on in. So as I already mentioned, I have worked with Home Chef before, and I think it is a great meal planning service. I personally absolutely hate meal planning and I hate grocery shopping. I'm not great in the kitchen, to be very honest. My cooking skills are not super great, so that's why I love this service so much, because they take all of that work out of it for me. They send you in the little individual bags, which I'm gonna insert pictures and you'll see like their website as I'm talking about it. But they put everything pre-portioned in the bag, so you have everything that you need. You don't have to make any trips to the store. It just takes all the guesswork out of it. Usually if it's just me doing my grocery shopping, I'll try to figure out what I can make with what ingredients I have around the house, and I don't necessarily plan my grocery trips around meals, which I should. I just don't have the time to do it, and I'm just not very organized or good at doing that. So Home Chef has been a lifesaver for me because it just makes it so much easier. I know the kids are getting healthy, well-rounded meals that they enjoy eating, and it just takes all the guesswork out of it. So you do have quite a few different options as far as like which meals. They give you a whole bunch of choices. I'll show you what the website looks like. So every single week before they ship out, you can go onto the site, look at the different options for that week, and select the meals that will work best for you. They do have different meal delivery options as well, depending on if you are cooking for 2 people or 4 people, and also depending on how many meals you want delivered. On average, it works out to be just a little under $10 per meal per person. So, I mean, even going to McDonald's these days is somewhere close to that price. So it's actually very, very affordable. And again, it's so convenient and so easy. They deliver the food right to your door, so you don't have to make any trips. And the meal that I made today, which I'm gonna insert some pictures of, as you guys know, we are actually staying with my sister and her family. So altogether, there are 8 people in this home. So we decided to make one of the dinners as a lunch today. And they were steak chimichangas. They were delicious. Everybody raved about them and everybody loved them. And we actually just cut them in half and served a side salad with it. So it was enough to actually feed 8 people, even though the portion said it was only for 4 people. We just cut them all in half, and it was still plenty of food, and everyone walked away satisfied. So even though they say the portions, you know, are for either 2 or 4 people, I always feel that like there is extra. So this service has totally saved me, you guys. I feel like I have just been so busy recently and just not enough time in the day, and not having to grocery shop as often and not needing to plan out meals and do all of that has saved me so much time and taken that burden off my plate. So I love this service. I highly recommend it. I do have a coupon code for you guys down below in the description box. So make sure to check that out. It is going to save you $30 off of your first order. Again, I will have that link down below, and thank you again so much to Home Chef for sponsoring this video. So now let's get into like the dietary changes that I have made. One of the nice things about Home Chef in particular is that I can kind of select the recipes, and certain recipes I can customize to work for my diet. And like the recipe I made today, I'll explain how I made that work for me. And the reason I wanted to talk about this subject is because I've actually recently lost some weight. So I have lost about 10 pounds in the last month, and 100% it is because of my eating. I have actually stopped working out. I used to work out, and I stopped because I was not losing any weight. I didn't feel like any toner or anything, and so I was like, I need to make some changes. And Specifically, I made these changes not for weight loss in the beginning. The main reason I made these changes in the beginning was trying to heal my scalp psoriasis. So this is something else I've talked about with you guys quite often, very openly here on my channel. I do have psoriasis and it's mainly on my scalp. It is very uncomfortable, like just it's embarrassing, first of all, because it causes a lot of flaking on my clothing, but it's also just super itchy and dry and painful. It sometimes bleeds. Like, it's just a very uncomfortable condition to deal with. And I've just been doing so much research recently trying to figure out what can I do to solve this problem. And everything that I was researching kept circling back to diet. So I have made some diet changes specifically trying to heal my psoriasis. And one of the benefits that, like side benefits that I have had is some weight loss. So I wanted to kind of share how that whole journey has been going. So basically I have cut 2 things out of my diet, just 2 things, but they are sugar, added sugar, and gluten, which are in almost everything. So it has actually felt very restrictive, even though I'm only cutting those 2 things out. So I still do eat natural sugar. So anything like fruit and stuff that has natural sugar in it, I am not like avoiding at all, but I am avoiding anything with added sugar, which pretty much means everything processed. Anything that comes prepackaged or in a box, I can't have. And then also like prepackaged dressings and stuff like that I cannot have. And then gluten I have cut out as well, which is a lot of different types of carb. So since I have made these changes, I have noticed so many improvements in just my energy levels. I've noticed I have a lot more clarity. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I've noticed when I'm editing my videos, I have a lot less editing to do, a lot less cutting out. There were so many like ums or pauses where I was like trying to find a simple word that just like was escaping me. And now I feel like I can talk with a lot more clarity than before. That mental fog that I had is clearing up. My energy levels are so much better. I was drinking like 4 cups of coffee to even stay awake all day. Like I was just having a really hard time with energy and with staying awake. And what else? Also the weight loss, as I mentioned, I lost 10 pounds. I just feel like my body is toner and more slender, even though I stopped working out, like I said. I do still want to work out. I don't think there's not been a specific reason why I stopped working out other than time. If I had the time, I would be doing that. But what else have I noticed? Oh, and then as far as my psoriasis, now that was the main reason I started this diet. I just got to the point where I was so frustrated. It was becoming so painful and it was bleeding and cracked and it just hurt me like all day. And you could probably see my videos. I'm constantly like scratching at my head because it's always feeling super dry and just tight and itchy. So I was like, I've got to do something. So I made these changes specifically for that. Now I have noticed some difference in my psoriasis. I had some really bad patches on my knees that are almost gone now. And I had some really bad patches like on my actual neck underneath like my ears. I can't really show you well right now. Those ones are starting to heal. I do feel like the ones on my scalp maybe even look worse right now. So I have seen some people say that it does tend to flare up more before it gets better. So I'm not sure if that's what's going on, but I have seen so many other benefits in the way that I feel beyond my psoriasis healing that I feel like I'm going to adopt these changes to my diet for some time. Now, it's not easy. Like I said, I feel like added sugar is in everything. It makes it really difficult, especially like for convenience foods. I've had to find things that are safe for me to snack on, like if I'm working and I get hungry and I don't have time to make a full meal. One of the things I actually have right here that I love snacking on is just raw almonds, making sure not to get any that have like seasoning on them, but the raw almonds, those are really good for snacking on, or pistachios, I snack on those sometimes. But yeah, I have cut out anything with added sugar and then anything with gluten. Now, I haven't been like 100% rigid with this diet. I definitely here and there will cheat, especially like if I'm going out with the kids and and you know, we're doing something fun, then I will cheat here and there. So I haven't been super rigid with it, but overall, I would say like 90% of the time I am following the sugar-free and gluten-free meal plan. So that is what I have been doing. It's made a world of difference for me. I am going to insert some pictures of what I look like, my body looks like now compared to even just I think the picture I have that I'm gonna be inserting was about 6 weeks ago. So I have seen a big difference in my body and, like I said, in the way that I feel as well. Now with the Home Chef meals, what I was gonna say is when I'm looking through those recipes, I look for ones that my whole family will enjoy, but that I could easily make small changes to make it work for my diet. So with the chimichangas, I could have everything that was in the filling of the chimichanga. I just couldn't have the tortilla wrap, so I could have all of the inside of it. And then as far as the salad, I could have everything but the dressing, so I just took my portion out before tossing it. So yeah, it was pretty easy to make those changes. And with a lot of the meals, you can even specify if you have, like, if you want to be vegan, or I think they even do gluten-free as an option. So you can definitely, you have that flexibility with Home Chef. So that's something that I love, is that they give you so many different choices with the meals. But I definitely wanted to share this with you guys because I feel, like I said, so much better, and I'm so proud of the changes that I've made. I mean, I just feel so much healthier in general. I think my body has been making a lot of changes. I feel like my brain is functioning at a higher capacity. I just feel so much better, have so much more energy. So I really wanted to share that with you guys. I know it's a difficult change. Like, that's a lot to cut out of your diet, because like I said, they hide gluten and sugar in everything. So you definitely have to, it's a lifestyle change. You have to make a lifestyle change. So I'm cooking a lot of separate things for myself, or making little small meals for myself. But most of the stuff that I do is like super easy, or small changes, like I said with that meal today. So anyway, I really wanted to share that with you guys. And thank you again so much to Home Chef for sponsoring this post. I was really excited to work with them. I actually am going to be working with them in the future again, but I have some really fun plans for that video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to check out Home Chef's website and use that coupon code if you do. But have a fantastic day, you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.